andito ko ngayon para kainin na ang aking alagang si Gobbles. My lovely Gobbles. Anong pinapakain ko sa aking alaga? Ito lang naman guys, ito yung chicken. Roasted chicken. Roasted chicken guys. Pinapakain ko sa kanya ng meat of the chicken, no bones, because may alaga is hindi siya kakain ng with bones, without gusto niya without bones. Maarty to siya, maarty. No? So siya lang kinain mo Kinain mo ay roasted chicken. Say hi to my guys. Say hi to my guys. Welcome to my vlog. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Hello vlog. Dito. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Say hey. Say hey. Hello. Inaano ko muna dito, ginaganon ko muna yung kasi pag malaki naman siya guys, hindi kakain ang alaga kong pusa. Hindi siya kakain. Sobrang maakti to. Ayan na naman tayo, Gobbles. Hindi siya kakain ito yung kasi matigas. Ayun yung matigas guys. Mas gusto niya kasi yung cracker. Yung food cracker niya. Food cracker na pagkain. Ayaw niya nun. Kunti lang kinakain niya. Gusto niya ganito. Diba? Diba, Gobbles? Pinasok ko siya sa loob kasi it's very cold. I feed my Gobbles inside the house because outside is very cold, you know? It's very cold. So I feed here. And after I feed my Gobbles, so he sleep in the outside, it's not here. Maybe make a mess here. Make a mess. Don't make a mess here, ha? Busin mo na lang ito, Gobbles, kasi para baka bukas na to. Nilalagay ko ito sa rep. Kasi pag hindi ilagay sa rep na paano siya. Sige, busin mo hanggat meron pang roasted chicken. Magpakabusog ka. Magpakabusog siya. Hanggang. Gobbles? Gobbles? Sa ilong. Hoy! Huwag mo dalhin dyan. Dito. Huwag mo kasi ikalat. Ano ka ba, Gobbles? Huwag mo ikalat. Huwag mo ikalat naman, please. Hindi na kita bigyan yan. Sige ka. Gobbles, are you finished? Nabusog na siya guys sa dami kong binigay. Bukas mo na kainin yan. Gobbles, Gobbles. Gobbles, Gobbles. Gobbles, Gobbles. Gobbles, Gobbles, and there on the sail. Oh, Bubbles? Dandaran, dandaran, daranananana. Pasko na naman, okay tuli ng araw. Paskong nagdaan, tila ba o kailanman. Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat Pasko. Pasko na naman muli, ang pag-ibig nating pinakamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli, ang pag-ibig ang naghari. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We Bubbles. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you, for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Come on! Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you and for me. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings for you. Dito ka kumain. Huwag dyan, magkalat ka. Oh my goodness. Dito, here. Put it here, not here. Because, you know, the end. Yeah. See? Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, baby. Good boy.